Imagine this: West Park Healthcare Center and University Health Network coming together to harness our shared vision for serving patients and families, to create the world's best specialized rehabilitation institute.
Yeah, there you go.
Plus, if UHN's track record of world firsts tells us anything, it's dream big. So we're proposing a bold new initiative to create a best-in-the-world lung institute. Bottom line, this is a collaboration for and about patients, to help them realize the greatest return to functionality humanly possible, where we train the best educated providers in the history of rehabilitation, leverage emerging technologies that allow us to deliver care earlier and where patients want to be supported, and drive research, innovation, and translation to practice better than ever before. West Park Healthcare Centre and UHN care for Canada's most complex patients. That means we embrace the challenge and opportunity to leverage rehab to an even greater extent in areas such as transplantation, neurosciences, advanced, complex, and cancer care, to name but a few. There are no two organizations more devoted to the most complex patients requiring the most advanced care. Together, we can set a new standard for specialized rehabilitation. And our synergies will allow us to hit the ground running. The starting point? The needs of the patient and family come first. We're both dedicated to an integrated campus of care, making the many points of transition in care seamless, while offering greater supports and options in services, resulting in better outcomes and experiences both for patients and those privileged to serve them. We both understand the critical need to foster a high-quality work environment, and we value our joint recognition of being the employer of choice in this clinical area. There's also our shared drive to optimize care, to provide our patients state-of-the-art facilities. And as the largest academic teaching hospital network in Canada, we see this integration as an opportunity for mutual learning, to advance best care practices. There's our shared expertise in areas such as neurological programs, UHN's pioneering work in remote and virtual rehab, and West Park's leading-edge respiratory rehab inpatient service.
The staff were amazing. I have only great things to say about them. It just feels like I have my life back.
In partnership, we'll be able to serve more Ontarians at even greater distances, while building a brand of care excellence that attracts the best and brightest, all while improving quality of life for our patients. Imagine this: together, we can invent new rehabilitation training disciplines and train the healthcare professionals of tomorrow at the Michener Institute, Canada's only post-secondary institution devoted exclusively to specialized applied health education. That allows us to create a purpose-built pipeline of talent and work to solve some of the human health resource challenges we all face today.
Once you get to the other end of the street, I want you to stop.
And imagine this: a collaborative research team pioneering patient-centered, solutions-driven, world-class innovation. Scientists get the support of UHN's expertise in commercialization, and patients get access to and benefit from a wide array of trials and knowledge translation happening right now. And by leveraging our collective research and clinical talent, we envision a bold new collaboration that builds new specialty programs. The jewel in the crown being the creation of a lung institute, specializing in everything from chronic lung disease and lung injury to lung transplantation and rehabilitation, with the aim of worldwide impact. The promise of our collaboration is it allows us to reimagine tertiary rehabilitation, consolidate specialized service, ignite the potential for digital rehab, health solutions, and artificial intelligence, making the next decade a period of true integration, demonstrating to Canadians that health isn't health without rehabilitation. So imagine a partnership based on mutual respect for what each brings to the table, and a shared vision for the needs of the patient come first. West Park Healthcare Centre and UHN coming together to create a nurturing campus and continuum of care. To do the work we are all passionate about: help patients get their lives back.